know I lie, how the fuck am I supposed to stop? Hoes on my dick from right here down the damn block. I'ma keep it real, I flip but I never flop. $77 on the honor, come holler back. I know you got some weed, give it all and don't hold back. Nigga, fuck you mean, you know I need all of that. Sun pot toe on your hoe, can you handle that? Hell to the nah, weak nigga, go running back. I'm sitting in a cave with a rape going in the back. Ain't nobody here but myself and the blood splatter. I don't give a fuck cause nothing doesn't matter. And I'm on LSD, all I hear is a bitch laughing. Nigga, find me